In this question, we are given the angle between two vectors A and B is 120, and magnitude of vector A is 3, magnitude of B minus A is 7, and you are supposed to find magnitude of B and magnitude of A plus B. I will show you two different solutions. The solution in the slide uses cosine rule, uses law of cosine. Actually, you don't have to use the law of cosine. You can do like the working I show you in the lecture videos. You are given B minus A, the length is 7. So we can say the length of B minus A holding square is 49. You just take the square. So with that you can say B minus A dot with B minus A is 49. Remember, A dot A is magnitude of A square, right? So for the same reason, B minus A dot B minus A is actually magnitude of B minus A square. So after that, you can just expand this out. If you expand this out, it will be B dot B minus B dot A minus A dot B, and plus A dot A is 49. B dot B will give you magnitude of B squared. Then B dot A and A dot B is the same, so you can write as 2A dot B. Then plus magnitude of A squared give you 49. And now A dot B you can expand out. You are given angle between A and B is 120 degrees. So this will give you magnitude of B squared minus 2 magnitude of A magnitude of B cosine 120 degrees. Then plus magnitude of A squared, which is 3 squared, give you 49. And you can further simplify this. Magnitude of A replaced by 3. Cosine 120 is minus 0.5, minus half. So after that, you should have magnitude of B squared minus, and minus half should give you a plus. So it's plus 3 times 2 times minus half, so it's plus 3, right? Then magnitude of B, then minus 40, give you 0. 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 49 give you minus 40. You can view this equation as, you just think of x as magnitude B. Then this will be just x squared plus 3x minus 40 equal to 0. Then you just factorize to solve for x. You should have x plus 8, x minus 5 equal to 0. So with that you have x equal to 5, x equal to minus 8. Magnitude of B is positive, so you reject the negative answer. So this answer you reject because it's negative. Magnitude of B is positive, so answer x is 5, then this magnitude of B should be 5. So you can do it this way, then you don't have to draw a diagram. So we have found magnitude of B is 5, right? You move on to find magnitude of A plus B. To find magnitude of A plus B, we consider magnitude of A plus B squared, which is A plus B dot with A plus B. And then we expand it out, it will be A dot A plus A dot B plus A dot B plus B dot B. So it gives you magnitude of A squared plus 2A dot B plus magnitude of B squared. Magnitude of A is given to be 3. Magnitude of B we just found is 5. So this will become 3 squared plus 2a dot b will be 2 magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cosine 120 degree. Yeah? Magnitude of B square should be 5 square. So it gives you 9 plus 2, magnitude of A sub as 3, magnitude of B sub as 5, and cosine 120 is minus half, and plus 9, yeah? Plus 25, 5 square is 25. And you get 19. Yeah? So magnitude of A plus B whole thing square is 19. So magnitude of A plus B is just square root of 19. So for this question, it's not necessary to draw a diagram. If you draw a diagram, right, you can use cosine rule. Cosine rule, you have this, you have A, B, C. Yeah? For cosine rule, you have C square is A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C. For a triangle, the side opposite letter A, right, you call it small a. The side opposite letter B, you label it as small b. The side opposite the vertex C, you call it small c. Yeah? Then cosine rule says C square is A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C. The question tells you the angle between vector A and B is 120 degrees. So you should draw a triangle in this way. So magnitude of minus A, magnitude of B minus A is actually the C. Then so C square is A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C. Yeah? So if you look back to the one we have here, so this should be a C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C. Same thing here, the A plus B is your C square. The C square is your magnitude of A plus B square. You can do it either way. You still get the same answer. Magnitude A plus B is square root of 19. Then magnitude of B is 5. So drawing a diagram using cosine, law of cosine is not necessary for this question.